Good morning, guys. Oh, sorry. My mom is calling me. I've gotten him ready now. I'm just gonna get myself ready. I'm just leaving him to sleep. I got him ready first because I want him to sleep. Then after, I'm just gonna sleep. I'm just gonna shower and then get ready. When I'm done getting ready, I'm just gonna eat and then feed him as well. So yeah, I will catch you guys in a bit. Actually, I'm gonna take you guys in the bath with me so you can see how I'll get myself ready and skincare. Exactly. I'm gonna use my I just toned my face with the Kiehl's ultra, what's it called again? You guys already seen it, with the Kiehl's facial toner, with the toner. So I used my pad from Wipco. Now I'm gonna use this Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder. It looks like this. 1 second. Yeah, so I did get this small bottle, which is like 30 ml, I'm guessing. Yeah, this is 30 ml. It's 40 something pounds. So I didn't even shake it. It's almost done, to be honest. I have to stock up my skincare products because most of them are almost done, literally. Since I was pregnant, I've been using them, and I'm not gonna lie, it's lasted me a while, few months. So, and when I mean lasting a while, I'm using this product every single morning and nighttime, so they've lasted me quite really good. So yeah, just gonna rub this in with my hand. I like using my hand to rub my serum in instead of using a I don't know, some people they use sponge pad or whatever. I like using my hand. I only use the pad to apply my toner. Okay, go down my neck, nose, forehead, and all of that. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna use this. I got this one in a how many ml? 50 ml, which was £26. I'm guessing, yeah, it says it on there, £26. Just gonna apply a little bit of this on my face. This cream is really good. Like, it's really good. I tend to apply quite a lot of it, especially if I'm going out like today that I'm going to see. By the way, I did use the cleanser to cleanse my face in the bath. That I used the Le Posay cleanser. I'll show you guys actually. This stays in my bath because yeah, I use this one. Go ahead and use my, what's it called? I'm using the SPF Sun Drop from Storm. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna put a few drops. It's literally, it's almost finished. I'm just like managing it right now because I haven't ordered it. I think it's not in the UK. I haven't really checked to see if it's in the UK yet, but I will. Yeah, but this has lasted me quite a long time as well, since I was pregnant. So yeah, rub that around my face. This SPF 50, by the way. For my morning skincare routine, I'm gonna use a nighttime advanced repair eye cream from Estee Lauder. This is the full size. My mom got this for me for as a Christmas present, so yeah, it's quite big. Just gonna take a little bit of it, looks like that inside, right down my eye, around my eye, and massage that area. Not gonna lie, this is really like, it's actually working. I can 100% recommend this eye cream because I used to have eye bags underneath my eye, and eye bags where the bags at, nowhere to be found. But yeah, I'm really happy about this eye cream. I did have a sample of it, so my mom knows I was using this product, so she just got this on me as a Christmas present and some other few skincare stuff, so which I haven't started using it yet from Estee Lauder. But yeah, that's my morning skincare routine. My skin is drastically breaking out because I just gave birth a month ago, 6 weeks ago now. So my skin is breaking out because of my hormones. If you guys can see, like now I have a lot of dark blackheads and stuff. So, but not to worry, it's all gonna come back together, inshallah. Hopefully, I just need to continue using my products and yeah, see how they go. I'm not gonna stop, but once my hormones decide to sort itself out again, your girl skin will be popping. You know what I mean? Skin will be popping. So now let me get to my body and I'll catch you guys after I finish getting ready. Peace out. Okay, so we're all set and ready. Don't like this light in here. Yeah, we're all set and ready. I went to my mom's, came back. So now it's around like, what time is it? 7, going to 7. 1 second, let me close this door. It's a bit noisy. Yeah, now it's 6:20 in the evening. We just got back home. I'm gonna eat some food and then I'm also going to make dinner for later. Let's just go.
Yeah, we'll go outside.
It's my hairpot thing. Oh, put him down.
I won. 1, 2, 3.
Manta? Yeah? What's that? Yeah? Let's go make some food. Okay? Come on, let's go. It looks like the way I've set this camera, it's gonna be showing the focus. There's a lot to like. Oh, my skin is so bad. Anyways, I'm gonna have. Okay. Let me put this boy down so I can make food to eat quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna have some rice and some rice. Okay, I've seasoned some salmon here. I'm gonna have in the evening. It's already evening time, but like for dinner. I did have potatoes. Yes, there's still potatoes. I'm gonna also mix with some of these potatoes. Yeah, then I have this one. So literally just explaining to you because they have it. But for now, I'm gonna have some rice and egusi because I haven't eaten. So by the time I finish making this food, it will be just taking forever. So not forever, but like it wouldn't make much sense for me to wait that long. So I'm gonna dish up some rice.
Yeah, DC just said hello.
This is what the sauce looks like. I use the Charles Farm baby wash. Show you a little bit of what I got done earlier on. This is our entryway of our apartment. So I just ordered this console table from Wayfair. That looks like this. It wasn't really hard to put together. My boyfriend did it actually. So yeah, and this is put vase there. This vase is from the range. It was $7.99. Actually, no, sorry, $8.99. And I got this little one from H&M. Well, I've had it for a while now actually. And yeah, in the middle I just have a mirror that looks like this, which is also from the range. I got this for 30 quid. And yeah, and this other vase there, which is also from the range, that's $7.99. And then the candle was $9.99. I'm not sure about this candle just yet, but we'll see. Hanging up my nose, guys. We're in lockdown. They're not done. Yeah, this was $9.99. So I'm also gonna get a little bowl to just put in the middle, just to put our keys there and stuff. So yeah, but yeah, this is the overview of what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think. It's nothing much. I don't want it to be too crowded, so I'm just gonna leave the space down there like that. Probably just put like a little stand African thing or something. I don't know yet. But if you have any idea, let me know and leave a comment down below about it. Let me show you what I got also from the range yesterday, but they're gonna get returned. They didn't really go with my decor. It's this glass thing where you put candle. It's $2.49, so I'm gonna change this. It didn't really go with my decor at all, so it's going back. I also got this tray that I thought it was actually gonna look nice there. But if you guys can see clearly, it doesn't. I just need like a bowl, round bowl, just to go there. So yeah, so just like put our keys and we'll come in and then just pop the keys.